people have been interested in what lies beyond our world and if there's anything like us somewhere in the universe. Our planet is filled with a huge variety of species and different forms of life that formed from the very specific placement of our planet. The intensity of our sun and our distance from it, the tilt of the Earth's axis, and the size of the Earth all have an effect on the growth of life on our planet. So, is it too crazy to think that we're not the only lucky ones in the universe that orbit in what we call the Goldilocks zone? If there are 100 billion galaxies in our universe, we can't be the only forms of life around. As we continue to search for other Earth-like worlds, Hollywood has made some interesting depictions of what other forms of life exist beyond our planet. This makes us imagine what extraterrestrials might look like, and what would happen if we made contact with them. We asked a few students what their opinion is on the subject.
Yes, I do, because I think it'll give us insights into how we evolved and how life started on our planet.
I don't think so, actually.
Why not?
Because I feel like, okay, have you ever seen Signs? You know? That's like a Hollywood version. But if aliens tried to contact us, we would like freak out and we'd probably try and kill them.
I think that they would look exactly like us, like maybe they're on our planet already and we just don't know.
I think that an alien would most likely be a form of simple life. It wouldn't be like as highly evolved or intelligent as us.
The main image I get when I think of aliens is like a little green thing with little weird fingers and really tall.
If we contacted them, I think they'd be intimidated at first, but if we had like a representative do it and approach it the right way, then we could work together.
It'd be really slow. A lot of the communication process would be really tiresome and lengthy. It would take a lot of years to figure out how to communicate.
Trying to understand the scale of what might be out there is overwhelming. Frank Drake, an astronomer and astrophysicist, came up with a handy equation called the Drake equation. It estimates the numbers of what might be out there. Using numbers like the birth rates of stars, the number of inhabitable planets around those stars, and how long technologically advanced societies exist, the Drake equation serves not as a way to get hard numbers, but as a way to start thinking about what might be out there. The SETI project, which stands for Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, has an array of radio telescopes available at its institute to conduct its own research. It also uses information from scientists around the world to get answers and analyze data in different ways. The Kepler telescope uses the transit method of detecting exoplanets. When a planet passes in front of its star from the Earth's perspective, there's a minuscule but detectable change in brightness in the star. Sometimes a planet is not inside the habitable zone, which is the perfect distance from a star at which liquid water can exist, not too cold but not too warm. However, there are still many options for a planet within our galaxy that could hold life.
In scientific endeavors such as these, it is wise to look to those credible individuals who have come up with their own hypotheses. Carl Sagan, in particular, was a scientist and astrophysicist who was enamored with the idea of extraterrestrial life. For him, it wasn't so much a question of whether alien life could exist on extrasolar planets, but where and when they existed. He qualified his beliefs, however, with his insistence on searching for hard evidence. The SETI Institute was championed by Sagan for its scientific approach to discovering extrasolar planets in the hopes of finding alien life amongst one of them. Another astrophysicist, Neil deGrasse Tyson, takes a similar approach to the idea of extraterrestrial life, but adds a slightly different perspective. According to Tyson, declaring Earth as the only planet with intelligent life on it would be inexcusably big-headed of us. However, Tyson also believes that it's possible humanity could be deemed unintelligent in comparison to aliens. In the vast cosmic calendar, extraterrestrial life could have attempted to contact humanity in a primitive state, or even before humans walked the Earth. Another alternative is that even modern-day humanity could seem as simple-minded as insects in the eyes of extraterrestrial life. With this in mind, our progress towards discovering alien life for ourselves should be our main concern, rather than waiting to be discovered. Extraterrestrial life is out there. It's only a matter of time before we find a planet that looks just like Earth.